Hi everyone, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. 35 years ago in Japan, I was first introduced to Japanese seaweed salad or海藻サラダ in Japanese and fell in love with this dish. Authentic Japanese seaweed salad is not the same as those you get in the Japanese restaurant in the States. If you have ever had it, it actually tastes so much better. In this video, I'll show you how to make this dish with my homemade sesame and miso dressing. This is a quick and very refreshing recipe which is perfect to eat during the hot summer weather. So let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. I'll show you two different ways to prepare this salad. One with Japanese mustard green, it's also called the Mizuna in Japanese. Another one with cucumber, red leaf lettuce, and tomato. This is Mizuna or Japanese mustard greens. Mizuna has a mild peppery taste and it's a great addition to any salad mix. I usually get Mizuna from Japanese groceries like Nijiya. If you can't get your hands on Mizuna, you can still make this salad with lettuce, cucumber, and tomato. Make sure you rinse and dry all the veggies before using. Seaweed is the most important ingredient in this recipe. Where do you get seaweed? You can find these seaweed mix packages from Japanese supermarkets like Nijiya, Marukai, or Mitsuwa. You can also get them online. Different brands have their own mixes of seaweeds and you can try and see which one is your favorite. The seaweed mix I use in this video has Carrageen Moss, agar-agar, kelp, wakame, which is the most commonly known seaweed, and whitewood ear. You can find more information on each of these on my blog and in the description box. Now let's prepare the ingredients. In a bowl, add half cup of dry seaweed mix and pour in enough water to cover the seaweed completely. Let seaweed soak between 5 to 10 minutes. The seaweed will rehydrate and expand. This is how it looks like after being soaked for 10 minutes. This is how the seaweed looks like before and after they have been rehydrated. The first one is Carrageen Moss. This is whitewood ears and wakame, then kelp and agar-agar. Now you will need to squeeze out all the excess water. Next, cut Mizuna into about an inch in length. Do the same for red leaf lettuce if you use this instead of Mizuna. Julienne cucumber after peeling its skin. Lastly, cut tomato into 1/8. Now let's make the salad dressing. In a clean bowl, add olive oil, lemon juice, sugar, sesame oil, miso paste, and soy sauce. Mix everything together. Make sure there's no miso paste lumps and sugar is completely dissolved. If you prefer a saltier taste, add more miso paste or soy sauce. For gluten-free dressing, use tamari sauce or gluten-free soy sauce. To make the Mizuna version, in a salad serving bowl, add a bed of Mizuna. Next, add the seaweed mix on the top. Drizzle some sesame and miso dressing. Sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on the top and your seaweed salad with Mizuna is ready. To make the lettuce version, in a shallow bowl, mix cucumber slices with rehydrated seaweed. Add a few spoonfuls of salad dressing and mix them all together. Let them sit for a couple of minutes. Next, add a bed of red leaf lettuce into a salad serving bowl. You can also use a different kind of lettuce. Add the seaweed and cucumber mixture that you just made. Next, Place a few wedges of tomato. Finally, sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on the top, and your seaweed salad is ready to be served. This Japanese seaweed salad is quick and easy to prepare. It makes a perfect side dish for your meal during hot season. You can download a printable of this recipe on my blog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me some comments below. Happy eating and see you in my next video.